Struggling to find happiness? Let go of these 8 things and transform your life. Number 1, let go of toxic people. Hindi lahat ng tao ay dapat nating ikip sa buhay natin. Kung may mga taong nagdudulot ng negativity, stress, o pain, it's okay to distance yourself or let them go. Surround yourself with people who uplift and support you. Number 2, let go of the past. Lahat tayo ay may mga bagay sa nakaraan na hindi natin kayang baguhin. Instead of dwelling on the past, focus on what you can do now to improve and grow. Remember, the past is a place of reference, not residence. Number 3, let go of the need to be perfect. Ang pagiging perfect ay imposible at madalas, ito lang ang nagdudulot ng stress at pressure. Instead, focus on progress, not perfection. Celebrate small wins and learn from your mistakes. Number 4, let go of anger and resentment. Ang pagdadala ng galit o resentment ay nakakasama lang sa iyo. Forgiveness is not about the other person. It's about freeing yourself from negativity. Let go of grudges and make space for peace. Number 5, let go of fear of failure. Ang takot na mag-fail ay madalas ang nagiging dahilan kung bakit hindi tayo sumusubok ng mga bagong bagay. Pero tandaan mo, failure is part of growth. Don't let fear stop you from pursuing your dreams. Number 6, let go of the need to impress others. Hindi natin kailangang patunayan ang ating sarili sa iba. Ang tunay na happiness ay nagmumula sa pagiging totoo sa sarili mo, hindi sa pagpiplease sa iba. Live for yourself, not for others. Number 7, let go of ego. Ang ego ay madalas nagdudulot ng conflicts at misunderstandings. Kapag nag-let go tayo ng ego, mas nagiging open tayo sa feedback, growth, at genuine connections with others. Remember, humility is a strength, not a weakness. Number 8, let go of other people's opinion and expectations. Hindi mo kailangang mabuhay ayon sa standards ng iba. Ang buhay mo ay sa'yo at ikaw lang may karapatang mag-decide kung anong magpapasaya sa'yo. Live your life on your own terms. Tiyan ang 8 bagay na dapat mong i-let go para maging masaya. Alin sa mga ito ang pinakamahirap para sa iyo? Sabihin mo sa comment section.